The story we're going to read today is nonfiction, which means it's a true story. It's called From Apple Tree to Store. And in this story, there aren't any drawings. They're all pictures of real farms and real people. Okay, let's learn how apples get from apple trees to the store. It is fall. The trees are full of ripe apples. It's time to pick them. The apple picker climbs a ladder. She picks the apples by hand. Then she puts them in her bag. This apple picker empties his bag. There is no more room in it. He puts all his apples into a large bin. A tractor picks up the bins. A big truck will take them to a store. Not all the apples go to a store. Some get made into juice and cider. Others get made into applesauce. We buy apples in a store. Sometimes we buy them from a farm stand. Then we take them home. We use apples to make pies. We eat some of them. The apples taste good. There are many different kinds of apples. Which ones have you eaten? Wow, look at all these different apple kinds. There are Red Delicious, Granny Smith, Stayman apples, Rome Beauty apples, Golden Delicious apples, Jonathan apples, Macintosh apples, and Gala apples. If you had to eat one of these apples, which one would you pick?